It's great that we can now use them with any Mac.
Hi guys, in WWDC 2022, Apple announced a new feature called Continuity Camera.
With Continuity Camera, you can use iPhone as your webcam. Now, I'm just gonna pop this stand on my iPhone and attach it to my display. Automatically detects my iPhone and uses it as the camera.
This feature allows you to use iPhone back camera. Use it with Mac as a webcam. To use this feature, you need to have an iPhone with MagSafe, and you need to wait 3 to 4 months for Apple and Belkin to create the accessories. I can't wait to use this feature, so I find a way to mount my iPhone onto the MacBook. Let's take a look. I'm using Popsocket for my iPhone as a stand. Here, I modded the Popsocket with a MagSafe mount, so you can use the bigger iPhone, the Max version of iPhone, without having a big hand. You can totally control this iPhone. I find this Popsocket a feature. Let me show it to you. Open up your MacBook, then you can just mount it like this. Boom! Here you go. You can use it for continuity camera. The connection is pretty stable. We can adjust different angles for the MacBook. And it works pretty well. See, you can have different angles. Using this mount, you can use the rear camera to record a video for your face and also use the desk view feature.
It looks like I have a dedicated overhead camera, but this is desk view, creating both of these views from the one ultra-wide camera on my iPhone using some very powerful image processing.
Put an iPad over here so they can see your desk. You can demonstrate different formula for your students. Also, the students can see you through the rear camera from the iPhone, and you look good during the class.
I can move around and center stage will keep me in the frame. Blur the background with that beautiful bokeh studio light. Check this out. Brightens my face and darkens the background.
This feature is the best feature I find in WWDC. I can't wait to upgrade my computers to use it. You can have the Popsocket to use it every day. When you want to record the video or use it as a webcam, you can just like this. So you don't need to buy a specific mount for a specific feature. You can have this Popsocket with MagSafe, use it for multiple purposes without spending way too much money. Yeah, so that's it for demonstrating this method for mounting the iPhone onto the MacBook. Hope you can enjoy using this method to create more content and more quality services. See you next time!